Hey guys, my name is Trevor from Intrepid Camp Gear. Today we're going to be showing you how to put your insulation kit up inside of your geo tent. Let's take a look. So when you're first bringing up the insulation kit, you can identify the rear of the kit by these black tabs, 2 here and then 2 on the corner, and there will be a zipper right above it. So those will face to the back. From there, we're going to find our red grommets around your geo tent, all up the side. And that is going to be how the skin attaches in at pretty much every point. Once you have the front 5 clips on, all you're going to do, follow the grommets back and pull them up accordingly. Once you have all of your red grommets done up, you'll have 4 here at the back, as mentioned earlier, the black ones. These 2 hooks are going to hook right over your U-bar, and then these 2 black ones on either side are going to go to the top corner of the tent. Once you have your insulation skin fully grommeted in, we can do the last step of the setup process, where you're just going to be tucking this little skirt down on your mattress around the tent. Up here inside of the insulation skin, there's a few features to go over. Up here at the front, if your tent is included with a wall organizer, you do have an access port to get through to that. Just like so. And this can also be rolled up and put out of the way if you need some more permanent access, using these toggle hooks found right above it. Outside of that, we can also move up here to the top, where you can still access your skylights with this included drop-down panel. Over here on the side is going to be how you'll get in and out of the tent from these areas. You'll see we have a tri-zipper system that allows it to open like this, so you can get access to your door. We designed this insulation skin to be able to be closed inside the geo tents, but there are a few extra steps that we're going to need to follow. Let's take a look at those. So first things first, those black clips that we referenced earlier in the video are going to need to come off before we close the tent. Let's get those down now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once that is down, you'll see we now have access to our U-bar. But we're not quite done. Go ahead and adjust at the rear. Pull the liner just over those rear corners. And one other thing we're going to want to make sure we do is that all doors on this insulation skin are down and closed. At this point, we'll bring the rear door zippers just down to the bottom, but leave a little bit open so air can evacuate. From there, we can drop our U-bar and close the tent as normal. There are a few extra points that you need to know when closing the insulation skin inside the geo tent. First things first, you're going to have to take a little bit extra care tucking in the fabric, not only of the insulation skin, but the actual tent skin itself. Secondly, this will limit the ability for you to add extra bedding inside the tent, since the insulation skin will be using a lot of that space.